What?
So muddy.
Yeah.
I'm skipping the gym too long. Can't even open the packages anymore. Alright. You'll probably recognize those. Ta-da! So, it's asking a little bit, but that's about as much as we're gonna have to open the openings in the DA. Where the harness went through originally.
Yeah.
Figured just to make this even useful, so that way we can pass the harness back through like you were hoping for.
Yeah. Well, other than some connectors, what are we doing here?
We are...
How are we anyway?
We are cooking an eggplant today. We are at Exact Dyno in Tempe, beautiful Tempe, Arizona. Finally going to be tuning up the K24.
It's only been, what, 5 months? Swap's been technically done?
Yeah, March, April. It's been a little bit. We've been running into issues and it's been too damn hot to fix most of them, but here we are now, 95%.
Yeah. And it's a nice cooler day right now too, as long as Tim shows up relatively soon.
Yeah, I was going to say
100.
It's way preferable to the 115 that I was kind of expecting back when I was doing the building stuff. So.
Yeah, it's like 92 with like 61% humidity, I think we said.
Yeah, yeah, I feel like we're back east or something. It is very, very sticky and
oh, there's Chapo.
Prefer it.
Rolling in. Hot dog. I didn't think he'd actually show. Yeah, so like he just said, we're getting the car tuned. Well, he's getting his car tuned. I came for moral support and for content because I'm a content thief. Shout out Zosh. That's what we do. We don't have money to work on our own stuff, or we don't have stuff to work on, so we find other stuff to film of people, whatever. That makes sense. Not dogging on Zosh. Me and Zosh always joke about this, but Chapo. What's happening? Still waiting on Tim.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, as usual. So explain to us the setup really quick, so people that are just stopping by the channel can know.
Oh yeah. So picked this up in September. Part of a game plan, I had a B18C swapped hatch. It was a Japanese GSR version.
Shut up, plane.
Loud. Really want a little bit more power. So wild hair at my ass. I picked up this chassis, sold the other one. Bought all the parts I needed, started swapping in, what was it, January, I think?
Yeah, well, other chassis was also damaged, had like...
It was pretty rusty. It was...
Don't mean to interrupt Doge, but you guys got to hit the link and get your own. But yeah.
Yeah, it was super crusty by Arizona standards, so picked this one up. It's a nice little purple, dark amethyst pearl, I think. Chassis, it's a 97 CX. Great roll-up windows. It was a 5-speed model, so it had a little less modification to put the shifter in. But yeah, K24A from HMO. I've got a Canadian market CSX transmission, basically an RSX base. WaveTrack LSD, 50-degree VTC. It's pretty stock. The setup's pretty stock. So we're gonna see what we make today. I'm excited. I'm hoping for 205 and 190, 210 and 190. We'll see. We'll see.
Either way, it's gonna be a ripper. Anybody that has a K-swap already knows, like bone stock K24s, 20s, they just scream.
Yeah.
And this thing is gonna be no different since it's got like the 50-degree VTC and stuff. She's gonna be a ripper.
It's been a lot of fun. I highly recommend it if you guys get the chance to do one of these. They're a lot of fun.
So
first round.
we're predicting numbers right now. So I forgot the Doge had also got the 3-inch. We did the 70 mil throttle blade with the port match. Yeah, 3-inch exhaust. So I'm gonna guess, what did I say, 203 and 192. What about you?
201, 191.
201, 191.
I'm gonna stick with my 205 from earlier. So 205 and 190, I guess.
205 and 190.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
And
think that's right.
what is
That's what I'll go with.
what is last place?
You mean furthest away?
Yeah, furthest away. What do they do?
Ooh, I
You're
don't
gonna buy
know.
the first round?
I think so.
Buy a round of beers on the way home.
Round of beers.
Okay, and then I guess the guy that gets closest gets 2 beers. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't drink, so.
if you can drink 2 beers.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you know what? I'm the heaviest I've ever been right now, right? I'm a whole like
A regular porter.
I'm a whole 150. But yeah, they're just getting the dyno pack set up. It's the hub dyno. So any minute now we should start getting fired up and getting the computer running.
Get some IG fuel.
Hap Doge.
It's getting warm.
They didn't have red.
Do I look like the Grinch?
Yep.
Thank you.
Take me to a Fiji.
Sir? The best shit for you for hydration, bro.
The best.
Why it costs so much? It gets all that shit you sweated out back in your nutsack.
Dude, not joking right now.
So his baseline is already at 160 pounds of torque, basically. Yeah, it looks like he's hunting for a vacuum leak or something.
Drink that good Fiji.
Sorry, there we go. Natural earth.
A little loud. So we're seeing a 177 torque and 188 horsepower so far. Not bad. That was only the second pull. That wasn't even a power pull, I don't think, either.
Yeah.
So, progress. Computer screen's all glared up, but it was basically the same numbers, like 2 horsepower higher. Making small adjustments. I can see the graph is kind of a little all over the place, so I'm sure he's probably got some toying around to do with it. $179. 179 right now.
Dang, okay. Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah, and they're reasonably cheap, so. Yeah, you should be.
What are you doing here?
Just passing by.
Ain't you got a job to be at? This is for the
No.
jobless.
What's going on? I don't got nothing
Just
to say
finishing it
to
up.
that. You got his merch on.
Yeah. It's so comfortable since we washed it.
Yeah, I was hoping I'd get to see a pool. I'm on my way to Irish job.
Yeah, he just unbolting the hubs now.
What do you make?
201 wheel, 180 torque. So he's saying RBC, and then yeah, RBC. I think it was just RBC.
Yeah.
but it's just
And then that should get him to 210, right? I think around there.
probably power-wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then probably by the time I'm doing RBC, it'll be a little bit cooler of a day, so it might help.
And then he'll pass both of us up.
Yeah, he's already gonna pass me up. That torque.
Oh yeah, he got both of us on torque already.
Yeah, because I think mine was 161 or 168, somewhere around there.
I think mine was 168.
Yeah, I think ours are basically identical. Go for a pull on the freeway?
Yeet. Alright guys, I'm gonna go put down
Some mufflers.
I'm gonna go to Lopers.
Lopers? Oh, that's right.
still around?
Local.
Yeah!
You're gonna have to hop in and drive this, man.
Alright, so the screen, I didn't realize his computer screen had one of those anti-glare films on. That's why the camera wouldn't pick it up. So final numbers for the time being, it's like 100 degrees, a lot of humidity, and stock K24A. It made 201 at the wheel with basically 190 torque. So he's gonna swap to an RBC, and we're gonna come back, retune it at some point. I should probably finally do an RBC on my Integra too, but so car should feel a lot better, and we're just gonna go for a rip up of the freeway.
That's got some top end now. It's nice. Holy shit. Before it wouldn't really pull that hard going into the next gear. It's nice.
Yeah, it just pulls.
First impressions.
Well, first off, the clutch is just soft. Like on my car, I'm like, like breaking the chair just to push the clutch in.
So this is almost daily spec.
Oh yeah, no, it's totally daily spec. But I don't like your throw. That's very long.
It is.
Yeah, it feels long and loose.
Yeah, it's pretty soft. It's a stock shift box, so
Yeah, we need to get you an Acuity or something.
yeah.
But otherwise, yeah, I mean, just barely granny driving it because we're on like a 35 mile an hour zone right now. And we're on Resland, and I don't feel like getting stopped by Res Police. But yeah, the car, baby throttle, like partial throttle, feels super smooth. Which that's another thing is a lot of you guys are gonna be like, "Ooh, he's only made 201. My boys, cousins, dogs, cats fucking made like 245 on 87." It's like, shut your trap. Nobody gives a damn. Numbers don't mean nothing. Because this thing probably drives smoother than your brothers, cousins, dogs, cats, uncles, whatever. So, just throwing that out there because I got so much flack on my K20 dyno session. So, numbers don't mean nothing. Drivability and usable power. But it feels great. So, we're avoiding cops because I saw a motorcycle cop once we got off the freeway right there. So we're kind of taking a loop route.
Just ignore the idle problems.
Yeah,
I'll get that fixed.
His idle screw is calibrated wrong or set wrong. Yeah, throttle response feels great, just like baby in the throttle. That Accord was coming up on us fast. Yeah, there's another cop up here. Looks like it's just guarding some road work, but still. This car ain't exactly quiet, like you guys just heard. See a little rowdy. Why is there so much traffic? It's Friday at like 1 p.m. Well, the LSD works. Whatever. just nice. That is comfy.
Chris just said he's going to be getting himself an EK.
Woof. Bold claims. You just gotta barely touch the gas pedal and it just starts crackling.
You got one more time.
Sounded like a BMW within crackle tunes.
Yeah, good bit of driving.
Alright, so my opinion, car feels fantastic. It'll feel about cooler with the RBC, a little bit more power. But as for now, stoked. What about you?
Perfect daily. I love it.
Yeah.
These cars are fun.
Yeah, keyword daily, not race car. So for you butthurts
Not
about
fully gutted
for you
backseat.
power number butthurts. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut this video off here. Dyno session was smooth, no real issues other than his high idle, which is getting the set screw. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you consider subscribing. When I support the channel, we do have merch down in the big cartel. Hit those Amazon affiliate links, go buy yourself some stuff. You might enjoy it. Helps me out with commission. Doesn't even have to be the things on the links, just use the links. Anyways, guys, do what you love, think about the rest, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.